Today I'm showing you how to clean the crud off your crock pot. You want to take an SOS pad or zero stainless or zero steel wool. I think it's 000, the finest you can get. And you just want to dampen it. If you're using steel wool, put a little bit of soap on it. And you just want to scrub it off just like this. Now, why do you do this? Because if you keep letting this build up, it's just gonna burn and burn and burn, and then your crock pot is gonna start smoking and you're gonna have major issues. So get this off while it's easy and not burned on too bad. And what I do is I put a layer on and get it going, and then I just let it sit for a few minutes, and then I come back in, okay? So here's my other one that's even worse. And I do the same thing. Get a nice layer all over. Yeah, you can use gloves if you want. Let that soak for just, I don't know, 3 to 5 minutes. Not that big of a deal. Yeah, so you might get it all over you. Okay, then we're gonna go in and scrub. Now, if something is just really stuck on, you can take just a regular table knife and see if that will get it off. Sometimes it will, sometimes it won't. Just get the heavy. Just get scraping some of it there. Okay. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. Alright, I put on a glove because I'm doing other cooking videos today and I don't want to mess up my nails. If you need more traction, just put a silicone jar opener underneath the legs here. All right, then we're just gonna take our rag and rinse all the way around. All right, I'm looking at my timer on my clock and it is 9 minutes, so basically 5 minutes for each crock pot. Get it all sparkling and no more burned food, which is great. So take that 5 minutes worth of work and keep your crock pot looking fresh. we go. Right at 10 minutes. Voila. Just to be totally transparent, I went back and looked at the footage. This one took me 3 minutes to clean out, and this one took me 7 total. So, just to be totally transparent, if you do it right away, it takes you less time than if you just leave it to build up. Here's a bonus tip that I forgot. Make sure you clean the bottom of your crock pots because food gets under there too. This shouldn't be too hard because it doesn't get as baked on. Just wipe it off. If you need to use a little SOS, you can, but there we go.